Hello, we decided to design our final project based on Google Play API services. Google Play is actually within Google Maps, and Google Maps is such an integral part of navigation. Life without Google Maps would be a lot harder. We thought that it would be a challenge to see how Google API works and how we can make similar Google Map functionalities. To begin, our initial idea was to provide a function that showed nearby services such as schools, hospitals, restaurants. To do this, we needed to first locate our location on Google Maps. To do this, the phone initially asks for permission for the phone's location. When the permission is granted, it connects to the Google servers and retrieves the latitude and longitude of the current location. This is then used to create a marker which pinpoints the exact current location. Another function was also created to track the location as a person is moving. Since we now have the current location, we can then proceed to locate types of nearby locations with a certain radius specified in the code. The Google servers returns the places of the nearby locations in a JSON file, and as we have learned in one of our MPs, a parser was required. The places and locations from the JSON files was parsed and saved within a hash map, and the collection of hash maps was stored within a list. With this, another Java file was used to combine all the details of the locations together. From here, the latitude and longitude were extracted, and a marker was added to accurately represent the locations. In order to get the JSON file, we had a big kind of a problem. The URL was made to be sent to the Google servers. However, the URL must be exact, and we had a difficult time trying to get the URL to be accepted through the Google servers. After spending a lot of time without success, we decided to scrap the idea and approach something simpler. To our solution, our project decided to refocus to mark a location that the user inputs through a search function. This was a lot easier than the previous goal. The string from the search function would be sent to an imported class called geocache, and it returns the latitude and longitude, which would be used to mark the place of the desired goal.
The goal of the user interface is to make the interaction between the user and the app as intuitive as possible. Although the user interface is quite straightforward, we will constantly improving it from primitive form. The final product integrated widget, card view, and more reasonable layout to make the interface more compact and focused. As you can see, it provides a text box where a user can type in the location to search. The widget card view was placed behind the search bar and a button to highlight the functionality and is separated from the map. 3 additional buttons labeled school, hospital, and restaurant lies below search bar so that user can explore nearby places with the ease of a touch. To improve this application, the search button will be functional, and we originally planned to provide location sharing function between 2 users of this application, which requires additional API service. Also, this application sometimes suffered from unexpected crashes triggered by searching certain location. Careful investigation is needed to resolve this issue and provide a smoother and more consistent user experience.